Simple two-point perspective house. Here's the front of a house. We are looking straight at the side, so it doesn't look very 3D. Notice that the sides of the house and windows are all vertical and they're all parallel. All the tops and bottoms of the windows are horizontal, and they're also parallel. Notice what happens when we look at a corner of the house. Now we can see two sides. Notice that the vertical sides are still parallel. But the lines that were horizontal aren't horizontal anymore. They aren't even parallel anymore. Now they are converging on a point. This is called a vanishing point. In two-point perspective, there are two vanishing points. The two vanishing points should both be on a horizontal line called the horizon. The horizon line is your eye level. Everything below it is on the ground, everything above it is in the sky. Let's make a two-point perspective cube. Start with the horizon line, then draw a vertical line for the front corner. Connect the top and the bottom of the line with straight lines to the vanishing point. Do the same with the lines to the left vanishing point. Draw a vertical line between the two lines. Make sure your vertical lines are parallel. Connect the corner to a vanishing point on the right. Draw another vertical line, then connect the other corner to the point on the left. Remember that all the lines in this picture must be vertical to the left vanishing point or to the right vanishing point. Remember, the horizon line is your eye level. The cube is lower than the eye level, so we see the top of it. It's on the ground. If we put a cube above the horizon line, we will be able to see the underside of it. It's in the air. We will start the house with a vertical line that goes through the horizon. The house is taller than us, but it's still on the ground. Now connect the ends of the line to the vanishing point. Draw another vertical line. Connect the corners to the other vanishing point. The lines above the horizon line point downward to the vanishing points. The lines below the horizon line point upward to the vanishing points, but they all point toward the vanishing points. Erase the part of the horizon line that the house overlaps. Connect the corners of one side to find the middle. Notice that the middle isn't really even. The distant side is slightly smaller. When objects are farther away, they appear smaller. The vanishing points instantly make this happen in the picture. Extend a vertical line through the center. The lines on the roof aren't vertical and they don't go to a vanishing point. We're breaking the rules. The top of the roof does go to the vanishing point. Make sure the back of the roof is parallel to the front. Most anything you want to add can be made with a vertical line or lines with a vanishing point. You can find the middle of any four-sided shapes by connecting the corners. Vertical to the left vanishing point to the right vanishing point. There's no limit to what you can draw this way. Try it out.